Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer music from Spotify to a USB stick using a very simple method. If you've tried looking for a direct way to save Spotify songs onto a USB drive, you may notice that Spotify doesn't give you an option to download the music straight to your pen drive. You might also find different third party Spotify downloaders online, but these can come with lots of ads or may not be safe to use. So instead of relying on those tools, there's a simpler way you can do this using what you already have on your computer. So first, I want you to open Spotify and play the song that you want to save. While the song is playing, record your screen or system audio until the part you need is finished. Once the recording is saved on your computer, save it as an audio file. After that, connect your USB stick to your computer, open the USB drive, and simply drag the saved audio file into it. Once the transfer is finished, the file will be stored on your USB drive. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.